See, let me tell you, whether I like it or not, you're going to convey my woman, my queen, my Elelebe John, my Chalugu. You are going to convey her to her destination. You take her to the campus. I don't even want to know whether you are serviceable or not serviceable. If I got a new job, if I mount her here, I don't want to hear complaint. I don't want to hear Tanganchi.
My boys of life. Do good, Wapaka, my very good friend. Yeah, the only engineer of all bicycles in the whole of this village. Do good, Wapaka GC Bogwe.
You see, Manga, you got it wrong. You missed so many things in my name. You are supposed to address me like this. High Chief Engineer Dr. Dugu the only certified bicycle repairer in the whole Eastern region. As a matter of fact, as I speak to you, I'm even trying to open a branch in the Western region, in the north. And they are calling me, the people who tested my bicycle, they are inviting me to come and open a branch there. You understand? Also, Dikeh, before you and after you, I am the only reason bicycle is still in circulation. Of which, if I decide not to proceed in this business, there will be crisis in the kingdom of bicycle. That is a scarcity of bicycle.
Okay.
Honestly.
Sorry, Well, High Chief Engineer Doctor. Do good one, Pakamu Simiri GC Vogwe. The only engineer of all bicycle clinics in the whole Western region.
West. I just told you I'm still about to open branch there.
Okay.
I'm not picking at East.
In the whole Eastern region.
Manga. The reason I called you, him to my very, very important. This is an important message. I don't want you to joke with it.
Okay.
Go to the house of my lover, Ifeisi. Tell Ifeisi, my lover, that I am standby waiting for her. As a matter of fact, I left our house because my sister is becoming troublesome. Small time now, I decided to come to my workshop to wait for her freely. Tell her that I'm here waiting for her. Immediately she is ready to go to the campus to go and check her result. She should alert me so that I will come and take her immediately.
I should go to your lover. Go to your love. As one boy, I will go to the house of your first lady. First lady of all bicycle repairers. Send your message.
Manga. I'm sensing jealousy in this talk. Let me tell you, Manga, let me warn you. If you go there and leave the message I sent to you and start looking at her face, I trust that girl. That girl is the most honest person I have ever seen. She's obedient. She will come and tell me how you looked at her. And if peradventure, Manga, you look at this girl, and she reports to me, I will lose your teeth. I have enough spanner, you know. Screwdriver, I will lose your teeth. So go and deliver the message and don't look at her. Because to avoid the pese.
Okay. To avoid the pese and losing of teeth, if I get to that place before I deliver the message, or as I'm delivering the message, I will close one eye like this. I will close my eyes and deliver the message. Don't worry.
What does this eye do? This other one is open.
If I close the two of them, how will I get to the place?
Will you use your eyes to deliver message? Is it not your mouth that you use in delivering message? Okay, you go and open your eyes for what? Use your mouth, close your eyes and use your mouth and deliver message. Manga,
do good.
Manga. Apaka kon.
Apaka.
Hey, mona this way ya ko ganku. Ona bosim do good. Go put my apaka. Mo shimiji chef ogwe. What are those ones? High chief, engineer, doctor. Get her. Go and come.
There's a big one and pity quello. Nebe longo giorno. Eating a castle to rabolo. Nebe longo giorno. Mongo na boy. I know you're going to see that bicycle repair up here. Eh? You're not going anywhere.
Mama, I want to go to the campus to check my result. So do good, my love, will take me there. Nothing else.
Do good, Onya. Now, let me tell you something. You're not going anywhere to see any bicycle repairer. For your information, Charlie Bay, Mokedema, is coming to see you. Okay, Diego. Ego Nesisi. Ego Nko. Charlie B, Diego and Mongo. Charlie B, instead of saying good morning to your wallet, Ego Pekasi Gary. Let me tell you, I have the dreams of going to America. And I will not allow you to spoil it because all Nyabo Charlie B get to show Nyaba America.
Mama get kwanti kangwa go. Me teloba, me telazo. Do good nwa paka. GC ebuogwe. Eh? Hey, he's the love of my life. Nwoke na the locha. Otom. So he's the one I will get married to. Nothing, nobody. Whether moji bicycle aga. Could you leg this Benz saga? I don't want to know. He's the one I'll marry. Nobody will stop it, not even you. Mama, leave me up. Mama, leave me up. Mama, leave me. What is this now? Allow me now. Mama, I don't like this thing I'm doing now. I don't like this thing I'm doing now. Mama, I don't like it though. Charlie B is coming. Charlie B, my man. Hi. Charlie B, my American ticket. No, I don't like this. Allow me to go and see the love of my life. Come and pass. No, I don't like it too. I don't like it too. That's your business. You want me to disrespect you? If I push you now, you can't push me. You cannot push me and I will not fall. You want to bring a poor man into this place. He will come here, eat in the morning, eat in the afternoon. Next thing he will pack in. Then you people will remove me from my room and take over. He doesn't even fix motorcycle, bicycle. How many bicycles have you seen in this village? How many? I love him. I love him like that. I said no love. What is love? Define love. Define love. Love is condition of the heart, which you can recondition if you want. That is what love is. Nonsense. Mama, I don't like what I do, you know. Just recondition your heart, my darling, and you will know love. Love, Charlie B.
Yeah, this.
Do good, Nwapaka. Do good, Nwapaka. The only doctor of bicycles in this community. Of course.
Nice. I gotta do good though. If my bicycle they get wahala. So I say my bring her, may you help me repair small. Not the green go very well.
My brother, you came at the wrong time. Honestly speaking, I'm sorry to disappoint you. As a matter of fact, I'm not at work today because I have a special assignment, a high-profile assignment to cover. My first lady, Ifeisi Nwaruka.
Ifeisi Nwaruka.
Yes.
Your first lady.
Yes. The only first lady in this community. So she has 1 or 2 places to go, and I will be the person that will convey her to the places. So what I will say is, please don't be angry. Go and come back tomorrow. By then, I would have come out properly for work, and then I will attend to your case.
But Oga do good. If na to grease them, na beg. No, they go at all. As I carry and they come.
My brother, I would have done so. I just told you I did not come. Okay, did you see any tools boss here? Usually, you know how it used to be. If it were yesterday, you would have seen different kind of bicycles, different kind of make of bicycle here, and I'm attending to all of them at the same time. Yeah. The reason you did not see any bicycle here or my tools boss is because I did not come to work today. Until this assignment finish, I will not work. So I will advise you go and come back. I will look into your problem. That one is not a problem. You understand? It's a small challenge. I will face it and I will tackle it and I will conquer it. So Biko, what I'm begging you is go and come tomorrow or even come later. By then I would have, started work. Come out with my tools boss and face your bicycle.
Okay, my manager today.
Biko manage it. It will serve you today.
Okay.
Oh?
Okay, man.
Don't be angry. Oh.
Why I go be
Don't feel like I disappointed
why
you.
I go be angry? You dey carry your first lady.
No problem. Oh, thank you for that
I don't even know
recognition.
when I don't know.
Thank God for that recognition. Thank you, oh.
Mama, allow me to go and see my love. I will kill myself. I will kill myself.
I know, man. Mama will not allow you go anywhere.
Mama, I'll kill myself. I'll kill myself. I'll kill myself. Mama, I'll kill myself. I'll kill myself.
If you like or kill yourself, if you die, I will still carry your dead body to Charlie B. I will never carry your body to do good. So if you like, put your head there and kill yourself.
Is that what I say,
Yes,
Mama?
that's what I'm saying.
Is that what I say?
Die now. Chineke. Obeku Kobam. Face your baby. Is it true? Face it. Chineke. I like Papa. I don't like this too. I don't like this. Hey!
What do you need this novel for?
Gee, just forget what I need the novel for. Just get it for me.
Well, I will go and look for it. I'm not promising, no. Because my brother hides everything. Even from me, his own sister. Just hold on, okay? Wait and come. Wait for me.
Check or just search very well. You will see it, eh? Please. If only you know why I'm looking for this. If only you know my real aim for this. If only.
Man, good. No good. What? Tell me all these names you're calling me. I don't. What is the report? I'll get in them. What is?
Ifeanyi.
What about Ifeanyi? Hey, Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi is dead. Ifeanyi fainted and died.
I don't
see. Ifeanyi's mother told Ifeanyi that see, you will never marry do good. And she said it's sort of her not to marry you. That she will die. And mother said die. And she died.
Manga, see, even though I enjoy jokes, there are certain jokes I don't enjoy. This particular one, any joke that has to do with Ifeanyi, I don't enjoy it at all. Look, let me tell you. What did you just say?
Oh, do I look like I'm joking? You're here asking me. Instead of us to go there and start preparing for burial, you're here asking me about to.
Did you say that
Ifeanyi is dead? He's dead. Let us go. Dead. Yes, it happened before.
Ifeanyi is dead.
Leave this thing. Let us go. Let's go.
Ifeanyi is dead. Go.
What is it? Eh? Are you dead or alive? Or you just fainted? Do you feel my colleagues? Ifeanyi. Hey! Fana.
Okay.
What is Ogini?
What is wrong? What is wrong with that?
She fainted.
Just like that.
And you're the cause of it. Oh, go and cause there.
More.
Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. That curse that you put on my daughter, that charm that you placed on her to love you. Remove the charm now. Can one man well away?
More.
What's more? Oh boy. What's that?
Oh.
Did she just sneeze?
Can't you leave my sister alone? I'm telling you, leave my sister alone.
I hear the voice of my love. My love,
yes,
is that you?
Yeah, it is me. It's me.
Is that you?
It's me.
Oh, is it? Carry me.
Oh, Mama, leave me alone. Why are you putting your head on her something? On her chest? Collecting feelings. He's tapping feelings.
Mama, I don't like this thing. Why are you beating too good, my love? The love of my life. Mama, you see what I keep saying? Love is strong. Love is blind. Our love is very strong. Just by me hearing the voice of Mokamna Adelota, I came back from the land of the dead. Nonsense. My boo-boo. My boo-boo. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I am happy.
Stop holding her waist.
Thank you.
What kind of nonsense is this now?
It's not a nonsense. It's a miracle. It's a miracle in the making. Mama, I'm sorry. Don't be angry. You see, Mama, what I want to tell you is, a lot of people, some people go to the university to go and study medicine.
Why didn't you go and study medicine?
Mama, I'm a mechanic engineer. So some of them, after studying, they go and open their own hospital, some pharmacy, some chemist. So with the love God gave to me, I used it in bringing her back to life. Mama Kopromaka. All these. Mama, see, you should understand one thing. Your mother gave birth to you. Your husband saw you, fell in love with you, and you also reciprocated.
My husband was rich. He was an engineer, builder, mason. He made money. You're not a mechanic. You're a bicycle repairer, not even motorcycle. Look, I have 2 dishes in my house. Yes. I watch African Magic. I watch African Epic. I watch the one they call Urban. Yes, I watch CNN and BBC. Through CNN, I saw America. And I decided that my destiny is in America. I'm going to America. And the only person that can take me to America is Charlie Bay. And my visa happens to be this girl here. So you cannot stop me from going to America.
Auntie, I can see you like poverty. And you want to swim into poverty a bit?
Who is this one? Come on your teeth now.
My love, let me tell you, it is only your mother gave birth. You don't have a sister. Just we are 2, brother and sister. You don't have a sister originally. Mama, I know my condition. I'm a motoshi dream. I know how it is with me. But one thing I know is that my God will make a way for me where there is no way.
My boo, let's go.
I know the God.
My boo, I'm happy. Let's go. Look at you. See, very soon you will be cutting the long sleeve of that your shirt and using it to patch your knicker. Yes, you will patch that trouser because look at it, lepu already. Trouser leopard patched with aka long sleeve. Nonsense. See them. Yeah? Is that guy looking at you?
No. I don't even like him. I know you dream America. That's why I will take you. If sister can't take you, then me, I will take you.
But I can't understand it. Maya Chaluko. Ife Sinachi. Hey, this is not what is coming from Chio. But now it cannot happen. Charlie B needs to take control. Charlie B. My ticket to America.
Boss, as we speak now, the baby's in the house. So the mother did not lie about it this time. So we can go.
Very well then. You see, the mother has been playing me all this while. I need to rush up and marry her, so I'll take her back to America. Let's go there now.
Lucky you. If you see where my brother hit this novel,
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. Hey. My brother is not. Neka, return it as promised.
I promise you.
Please, I beg you. I don't want my brother's problem.
I promise you I will.
I will.
Thank you.
Finally, thank you so much. You're welcome. I will go, you know. Take care. I got you.
Okay.
Charlie B.
Madam Aruka.
Oh, baby, fine.
Go to no more about.
What do you got, my China, man?
Go booze wedding and one.
Oh, we're chim develop. Hey.
My no.
Hey.
Madam Aruka, you assured me that she's in. I don't know why you're stressing me if you know this is not gonna work out.
Kenny, it will work out. In short, it has finished working out with a full stop at the back. My own daughter, Ife Sinachi, now. She would listen to me. Any anything I tell her to do, she will do. She will abide to whatever I say. You will marry her. Charlie B, you will take my daughter to America. You got to go? And in America, she will change your hairstyle. Sometimes she will pack it to the back. Then she will pack it to the side. Then give you front flip.
Madam Aruka.
Charlie B.
So where is she?
She went to her school to check her result. She would have waited though, but they told her that they will close early. But Charlie B, before you know it, she will be back. So just wait a while. Onna, I'll go and cook or rice soup for you.
So you see, they said he who wants a good thing waits.
And you know my daughter is good. My daughter is beautiful.
You know what I'm saying?
My daughter is gorgeous.
You understand?
Physical shape here. Who wear that food here in America? She is so beautiful. The one that has a half cast afro as we anya. In my future tabi by face Naija.
Pluto, get her the gifts.
He said the gifts. Oh, in case you didn't hear very well.
Madam the madam.
Charlie B.
Oh, more.
Oh.
Only go ni su Obama. Ife ni live su Obama. Onye mo aka anye be anya.
Charlie B. What is inside?
Inside this bag, there's an iPhone 8.
iPhone 8?
Yes. Apple MacBook. Nya ka epebazia igwe. Kage na ndị oyibo na akpa. Inside this bag, there's also a gold crafted necklace. Diamonds. Kuma bali be imane poptago. Na ekopota man no ugodi na wanye kopotalo.
Hey, Chineke. Do you know my CNN tells me about iPhone 7? I did not know that iPhone 8 is out.
They just launched it.
Hey!
When make the order?
Charlie B. Charlie B, you're too much. Charlie B!
Jesus.
Hey! Charlie B, I like your watch.
Oh, good.
This type for there.
Fajal Mimia. You will forget Mama the Mama. Come on, Lego feature. I need to go on there. Oh, no, but no, weather.
Hi.
And you're quite there. Ibego. Ibego. Onye kwara anyị ekwetele ya. Anyị ji ego ebe mmadụ aka. Ịma aka.
Nna. Ewo.
Ama ni bego. Bego n'ego adigo. Onye ma aka.
So he succeeded.
Yes, now. See, look at it here.
Hey.
Give me. See, I'm sure with this, what I desire will definitely come to me.
Your resilience is second to none.
Let's watch and see. Just watch me and see.
Hey! Ineka. You have to be my sister.
Thank you.
Okay, let me just go to the book.
No.
What is it now? Give me.
No.
Give it to me, Joe.
Pluto, get me the drinks. Madam Aluka Aqua.
Charlie B.
Madam Aluka Aqua.
Charlie B.
Madam Aluka Aqua.
Charlie B.
How many times did I call you? So, Ines Lodogu de Kamanya, where woman. So, after looking at me, Charlie B, Mokebu Ezege Ezenko, Odogu na Abu Chief Aneme, you were a woman. As you can see, it seems that she has failed to show up again. Now let me tell you, I had plans of giving you $10,000 to start up a little business in Emukesilimanya. I am not only going to withdraw from giving you that money, I am going to take this gadget that I bought for you home also. As Nangueli go buki budon kiligo. Emanlizi elizina. No you baba la cholo.
She'll be here soon. Look, go and look for your sister. I don't know what is keeping her. Maybe something must have happened, but I can assure you she'll be here soon. Don't take away the kids. Just leave them here, Biko, so that she can see them when she comes.
Toto, pack the kids.
You can leave this behind so she can see it when she comes. Proto! Charlie B! Charlie B! Charlie B, because at least leave the kids.
Don't kill you.
Charlie B! Charlie B, please now.
Madam Aluka, so dogu di kamanya. If you can't do more dogu, if other cables up, they go the answer. Well, woman.
Charlie B, Charlie.
Don't kill you.
Charlie B, Charlie. Charlie boy!
You would have stepped down now, knowing fully well that the tires are bad.
No, what are you saying? You want me to suffer?
No, I don't want you to suffer. Madam, let me suffer your suffer.
Yes.
Why is he blowing horn now? Is this his gate? Why is he blowing horn here? Or gate here? Eh? In your gate here? You should have told us we are blocking his gate instead of blowing horn. Who is it?
So this is the nonsense you subjected yourself to. Hi.
My love, sweet him. Who is this person?
He's the money misroad man I've been telling you about.
Okay.
He's always coming to my house, professing love to me, that he wants to take me to America. We shampoo and chana asa my mother is.
Imagine.
My mother sleeps and dream America right now. But I've been telling my mother, it's you I love. It's you I love. This one, you see Dada, I don't know his source of wealth. I don't know his source of income. But you, my love, do good. I know your source of wealth.
Simple.
I know how you make your ends meet. So it's you I love. But he keeps throwing himself at me. I don't know. I don't love you. Look at my love here.
Is it? It's okay. Oga, in my best advice, next time if you want to, you're looking for bodyguard, somebody to guard you or something that will guard you, it's better you go with toothless bulldog, than carrying this pocket here. You understand? Or better still, go to gym house, take people who want to not a hungry looking human being. I don't even know if he's well. Adekwa. Imagine. You are the Oga from America. Okay. Oga, you heard her, she said that she's in love with me.
Yes.
She loves me from the from the imminence of her heart. That is where she loves me from. Which means we are one. She said she can explain the source of my income, not your own. On my shop, my conglomerate.
Bicycle repairer.
Bokom engineer.
Bicycle repairer.
No, yes. She knows my shop. She knows my company. In fact, she knows my office. She can say it. Yes. You, she cannot even explain what you do for a living.
What is that do ritual? Money ritual.
One boy. Oga, look at your hairstyle. The man who invented this hairstyle, Bob Marley, died 1981. Bob Marley died 1981 with this hair, and the hair went with Bob Marley.
My boo, wait. So this kind of person, we'll go to the salon together. I'm not doing amazing. Buy a dryer, buy a dryer.
Buy a dryer. That is, if my woman want to go and make her hair now, now is not time. Madam, let me first come. I come since 6 o'clock.
Let's go.
Oga, go and look for yourself another woman.
Yes.
Leave this person for me.
Yes.
I don't want to warn you about this thing again. Let it be the last time.
Last time.
Let's go.
Let's move here. Aye.
Let's go.
Oga, put me here also.
Let's go.
Remove your bicycle from the road.
If he
Let me
doesn't want
pass
to
with my
remove
jeep.
it, scratch it. Let's go.
Remove your bicycle. Let me
Nothing
pass with
like
my
that.
jeep.
He wants to use it to intimidate us.
When we have a
See,
jeep.
even though the tube and tire is down,
Yes.
I will use that climb mountain.
Bicycle love is the best
Baby,
love.
Yes.
I will climb that mountain. I will climb that mountain.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Jesus, I no go for. I will climb that mountain. I will climb that mountain. In the name of Jesus, I know. In the name of Jesus, I will climb that mountain. I will climb that hill.
Boss, you should have allowed me to take care of this with my own.
Don't worry. It's not so boss, eh? You know what I can do? Don't worry. I know her problem. I know how to face it. I know how to fix it up. I'll clean it up. You hear? Just don't worry. Let's go. They'll keep suffering. They are pushing bicycle.
Come rain, moon, come sunshine, oh, he's my love. In fact, I love this bicycle. Also, do good.
Whether you like it or not, you shall not ruin my dreams. If we're America, I am going there. See, Charlie Boy was here. If you see all the gifts he brought what? iPad, iPhone, computer, watches, costume jewelries, a lot of things. And because you were not here, Charlie B took everything back. If you got that charm that they have placed on you, that charm must be removed and cast into the abyss. Yes! Kif Kenuso.
Mama, nobody's using charm on me. If Anyam Korokoro, Anyasa, I can see clearly nobody's using charm. We are simply in love. I'm in love with Do Good, and he's in love with me. Do Good is the love of my life. Tom, Charlie, whatever you call him, can bring heaven and earth for all I care. I don't like him. It's Do Good I'll get married to. Nothing anybody can do about it.
His name is Charlie B, not Charlie whatever. Charlie B. Rubbish. I am not going to forgo what God has planned for me. I named you Ife Sinachi. And that is what applies to my life. You will think you're using your eyes, but you're not seeing. You're not seeing. If I you cannot see. We need to remove that thing and send it to the abyss. You must marry Charlie B. You are my license to Obodo Yibo.
Mama, leave me, oh. Mama, leave me and my love Do Good. Leave me, oh. Mama, what am I even saying? Mama, look at you. You gave birth to me. You're still very beautiful and shapey. If he's shaped that Charlie whatever likes. So go and marry him now. Let him take you to America.
Nonsense. You think I will not want to marry him? Hi! After all, when I was a young girl. You think Charlie Boy would even look at you? America must see me. And whether you like it or not, you're my visa. American visa.
You mean you dealt with that American man? Even with all the money he claims he has?
As a matter of fact, dealt is understatement. Humiliation is the word he would have used. If you see this guy, he think I'm a small bit he can just chew and swallow. He drove his car, wow, before you know it, blow horn, hoping that my woman, a girl I love so much, a girl that if that girl is beer, I would drink her and chop the bottle. This guy, he was thinking that she will come down from my Hummer bicycle and jump into his car. Do you know what she said to him? No. She looked at his face without mincing words. She said to him, "Go to hell."
Are you serious?
If you see, go to hell, Adaroda. That is the kind of hell somebody will send you to. You don't even need to journey to hell. You're already in hell.
But that means you must be a special person.
I'm a special person indeed. This your brother here, do good one baka. I am a special person. In fact, do you know what I am envisaging? You see, on our wedding day, that very day is going to, in fact, it will marvel you what you will see. All the bicycle repairers in the eastern zone, this eastern region, you are seeing like this, all the bicycle repairers in the eastern region will come parading on that very day on my wedding with Ifeanyi.
That means it's going to be a bicycle day.
No, it's not like it is going to be, in fact, plus. That is plus everything that is going to happen. There is no kind of bicycle you will not see there. You will see Hercules.
Which one is Hercules again?
Hercules is the man that invented Hercules is Romanus, so that's why they call it Hercules. A Hercules is a Roman Empire bicycle, the bicycle that Queen was using to go and convey message to the king. And that is the Hercules. It's a German England bicycle. So Hercules is going to be there. White horse is going to be there. Honestly speaking, different kind of species of bicycle. I'm telling you, even special made bicycles will be there live from church to the reception ground. After, if you come to our community primary school field, if you look at bicycle, you see a line.
But I'm happy for you. I can't wait. I can't wait to see that wedding.
Honestly, let death not come and take you now, because you're going to witness your brother's wedding. Honestly, so let me tell you, your brother here, do good. Is hungry. Please get me something to eat. Orange. Combining orange with beer is equals to force. When you combine orange and beer, is equals to force.
Plus the beans.
Go. Look at you think you can come from anywhere to come and take a girl God destined for me. It will not even anybody from this village, even above or beyond this village, can take this girl away from me, because this was a girl God destined. That look, do good one. This is the woman you're going to live the rest of your life with. Nobody, no man born of a woman created by Aroshi or God or whoever that can come and take this girl away from me. For what? It's not possible. No broke. Mother happy bonus Benz.
Pluto. Boss. There is something about Ife's that no other girl has. I shall play her own kind of music and she will dance to it.
I know, boys. I know there's something special about her. For you, Charlie B, Onyanko, to be chasing after that girl, I know there's something special about her.
I will hit the house again and play the music. Just get ready for the result.
I'm with you, boss. 247. I'm at your service. Charlie B, Onyanko. Ojego Emog, 1.
Nkembo. Go to the bar. Tell them to give you one more weight. One Hyolin drink. One Jack Daniels. Kaikoba. I have made money. My money has not have that number. It can never expire.
At your service, boss.
Stupid man. Coming to chase my daughter. One shot. Let that motherfucker come again. Next time he comes close to me, I will break his head again and he will flee. Nonsense.
Mama, what did you do to do good, Mwapaka, my love?
Hey, love and the more can the mad. Love. Let me tell you, better go and warn that man. Next time I see him near you, what I will do to him, he will regret it. He will see the kind of wickedness in me. I will pour my wrath upon him.
Eh? Mama.
A warning. Yeah? Come back. You first Naija. I want to get Naija too. You first Naija. My love. Do good. What up? My love. Where is it?
okay.
Where is it? Where's Dogo, my love? Where's the top?
It's not a small thing, no.
What did my mother to do?
You just narrowly escaped the ambulance that took him away.
Hey!
It's not a small thing.
What happened?
Your mother broke his head. Blood was flowing everywhere like River Naija.
Hey, what?
Blood everywhere, blood.
Hey, oh God. My mother... Oh, please, which hospital? Where did they take him to?
It's either UNTH or orthopedic or even Aladima Specialist Hospital. Any of them. But I pray he survives it too. Because the way your mother hit the head, the sound that came out from the head.
So my mother broke my...
See, you forget I was the one that first of all saw you before Dugu came and took over. Go and look for him and Hajum Dugu to your love.
Jama! Where is Dugu, my love? Which hospital was he taken to? What happened to my brother? Are you not aware? Aware of what? Talk! There was an incident with my mother and Manga said that he was rushed to the hospital. I said which hospital was he taken to? If I knew the hospital, I wouldn't be here asking you.
Okay, I said let me take permission. Can I go? Let me go and look for something to eat or change my clothes and come back. I do good work. Okay, welcome me. Look at.
My love, do good. Hey, is this you?
Yes.
Hey, what happened to you? Are you okay? Where have you been? Your friend said you were admitted at the UNTH. Are you alright?
Me do good work. Admitted at the UNTH.
Yes.
Says who?
This your Chakomaka friend. He said that your blood was flowing like a river.
No. It's just that your mother came actually. So we had one or two. She hit my shoulder. She hit my shoulder.
She did what?
She hit my shoulder, so the bone got disjointed. I had to go to Mazi Amadi's place to go and fix it. It was heavy anyway, but my love, this is not. I shouldn't be telling you what happened, because I love you so much. It's not everything that I will report to you. You understand? And I want you to also know that, because I love you so much, no amount of evil that can befall me that will make me change my love for you. Nothing.
My love, I don't trust you.
No,
you
okay.
can't even allow me to touch you. You are telling me that is nothing.
No.
It's written all over your face and your body. You are in big pain.
No.
Very strong pain. But you are covering up for my mother.
No.
You are covering up for her.
It's just that,
You are okay. I thought you said you are okay.
No, I'm okay. Oh, I just no evil, no weapon fashioned against me shall baby, I love you so much.
You see that woman? You see that my mother? She will have me to contend with.
It's okay.
I'm coming.
They are doing good.
When you come back to the house, we have a lot to talk about. Because in here, it is getting out of hand.
It's okay, don't worry yourself. So. Manga. So Manga, you opened your mouth to tell Ife's nonsense, tell everybody rubbish. Because I remembered I told you that I was going to Mazi Amadi's place to go and fix my boat. So you went and told Ife and every other person that I was taken to hospital. Blood splitted everywhere. So Manga, this is how you lie. This is how you lie, Manga. Manga, let me tell you, whether you call Manga la Banga, or Bangu, you are going to, in fact, right now as I speak to you, Manga, you are fired. Leave this place. I said you are fired. Leave this place now. Don't please me. In fact, if there's anybody you are supposed to apologize to, go and apologize to that man. In fact, Manga, I am convinced. I don't need a suicide to tell me that failure is your success. Failure is your destiny. Failure is your call. In fact, anything that has to do with fail is your reason. Because if you had the sense, if that wasn't your calling, you are serving somebody, a man who owns a provision store, a week to your settlement, you went and stole expensive cream just because you want to look good. I have always known you. In fact, by right, you're supposed to go to township to go and be doing gigolo. That is your profession. You went and stole cream. This is the reason you are this yellow. What are you beautifying yourself for? Are you a woman? Are you a lady? Are you a girl? Why will you go and steal cream just to beautify yourself? Manga, get out from this place.
Do good.
Manga, don't do good to me. Get out from this place. Go and apologize to that man. That is what you're supposed to be doing.
Do good, please now.
By the way, remove this shirt. I gave it to you. Remove this shirt and wear this nonsense you came with. I gave you my shirt believing that you were a good person. You're a nice person. Remove it. And secondly, Manga, don't forget to, another one. You see that my bicycle you went and used to borrow money from Okeke. Make sure you collect my bicycle back. Whatever transaction you had with him, that is your business. But bring me my bicycle. As a matter of fact, that bicycle you see is my Benz. Age me agamba na lota. Occasion ko puro how you go? Church yawa. That is my Benz. Bring it back for me.
I would like to go to America with the Nigerian Airways. I hear that they give apple. Those other Oyibo airlines will not give us apple. At least one to know that we're Naija. But how many hours would it take me to get there?
Like 12 to 13 hours.
12 to 13 hours. Come on, Onoche. Hey! What do you go? But it doesn't really matter. As long as I get to where I'm going to. America. Is it Canada or
Mama! What did you do to do good, Nwapaka? The love of my life. What did you do to him?
The only love that you have is Charlie B. Walking now, manko. Hey!
Yeah. Madam Aduka Aqua. $5,000 for you.
$5,000.
Auntie,
Jello, let me tell you, the only husband you have is walking now, manko. Walking there more go with ego. Walking there $100 more na la wanya. No, that is not Bakasigini Kibolia. Do good, Nwapaka. They go to Cassia Nada. Nwapaka.
Madam Aduka Aqua. Extra $5,000. Came on,
Charlie B. Oh, Gozulezu. Oh, go now, Mapotanko. Chai. Oh, can you have your child?
Mister. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Listen to me and listen very good. You see me? If it's not, I will never marry you. Do good Nwapaka is the love of my life. Oh, Nyawotom. Woken na the Lord, the only man I'll marry on this planet Earth. So if you like, continue wasting your money on my mother. Foul. Okay, unless we want to marry her. Because the way I'm looking at you, maybe if I escape you, it's my mother.
Yes, so it's not coming to I'm making a
He is my choice.
Calm down. I will beat the devil inside her out. Then she will turn around and call you Charlie Bay, my love. Aye! Biko, when you did it.
No problem. You've done enough, huh? Yeah, you've done well. Bruto. Manya can make pigeon gold. Double tell him $10,000. Can they never go with it?
$10,000. Charlie B, na manko. Charlie B, na my dollars.
Madam Aduka.
Oh, be fast.
Go and change it. Emale go no naira. You may have to attack.
Are you then?
You know the ego making it.
Hey, Charlie B. Hey!
No, if I had known, I would have told my sister to cut more.
Do good, Nwapaka.
Again now.
Yes, sir. Do good, I don't come back again. Abi, you get assignment today?
No, my brother. You losing my tools, boss. Manga. Stand up, go and grease this bicycle. make sure you grease it inside, deep inside. Put enough grease inside. Yeah?
Okay. No. I won't give you.
Let me hold it for you.
For what?
Get there grease.
I don't
Anyway, you grease.
What is the nomenclature of the problem?
Do good, I talk to him, I beg.
Huh?
See, let me tell you, Manga, make sure anything you're doing, do it properly. Because if you make any, if you make any mistake, turn this in and grease it very well. I don't blame you. Sit down, my brother. Sit down. Hi. Take grease
very well. Grease it very, very well. Should I use my hand?
Use your tongue. Do it there. All the while you've been seeing me greasing this thing. Don't you see the way I do it? Yeah? Grease is going to touch the mama here or Gala freeway. Here. On how much? Does it match it?
It doesn't move very well.
It doesn't move very well. Yeah, on how much? It matches. No, put more grease. Put more grease. Concentrate on the chain.
Brother, thank God you are back. Yes.
Oh, were you looking for me?
Yes.
Okay.
You never since we lost Mama and Papa. You are all I have in this world.
So, what are you trying to say?
Brother, I don't want to lose you. That is my point.
You don't want to lose me. I don't understand the What do you mean by you don't want to lose me? Am I not the one here now?
Brother, isn't it obvious that Mama Arokakwa doesn't want you around her daughter? She wants her daughter to marry that American man. So leave her and her daughter alone. Leave them alone. Me, I don't want to lose you.
Are you done with your national anthem? If it is because of Ifesi that you're talking like this, you're giving, I don't want advice. Anything that concerns Ifesi, I don't want advice on that at all. Let nobody advise me because nothing on this earth is going to stop my marriage, my love with Ifesi. Not even her mother, not even anybody can stop my wedding. Let me tell you, this wedding is not going to be a small picking wedding. I am going to wed Ifesi in the very before of everybody in this village. This wedding that I am planning with Ifesi is not Kwekwe wedding, no. It's not Chere Kambia wedding. It's not a child wedding. This wedding is a wedding that I have submitted my jingle to all the radio stations in the eastern region. Obosi Minaj has it. NTH and Etenaba, Gia. Even Port Harcourt, listen, Gia. They only asked me to go and raise small money and bring to them. Of which, if I gather all this money now and send to them, they'll begin to earn my jingle.
No.
So this wedding is not going to be a small wedding, no.
You should have submitted it to CNN now.
Go and be hustling to raise money. Buy yourself a befitting clothes for that wedding. I don't want you to come there with a rag. Wear nice befitting clothes for wedding.
Brother, I'm not doing the gift. I'm not doing the gift. Eh?
Is that a question?
No, it's an answer.
Oh, yeah. So why are you asking? Let me tell you, respect yourself. Oh. I am sure you've not taken bribe. Are you with me or you against me?
Keep enhancing.
So if I defend myself outside, I will even come house to come and defend myself too. Choma, I'm defending the Choma outside. Hoping to come back to the house to come and eat. And then why defend the woman no? Are you with me or you against me, Choma? Good. Let it not be that I give myself no bribe. Choma, have you taken bribe? On your bro, mother have book and I got church. They have book and I got church on your bro with Choma. It's all right, Mama is going to hear this thing. I'm Papa. Back at me.
I'm done with the book. I don't know how to make someone fall in love.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Hey! That was a good one. No? But Nneka, come to think of it, how do you think he's going to drop Ifesi and marry you?
Yeah.
Eh? Knowing fully well that she means the whole world to him.
Forget that one. See, I'm doing my underground work. Besides, Mrs. Arokakwa will never for anything allow Ifeisi to marry Do Good Nwapaka. And I was reliably told that Do Good does not know what awaits him from what his late father kept with my father. So, you see, my dream is intact.
Neka. Alright though, if you say so, let's watch and see.
Just don't worry. Just watch and see.
Hey.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Now to the big move.
The big move, boss?
Yes. I want you to get me a list of drinks and all the items needed to pay a dowry. And to pay it as soon as I can.
But boss...
No but. Just do as I have said. And be fast about it.
Alright, boss.
Hey, Manga. I'm going to see your friend, my love. Is he around?
He did not tell you.
Tell me what?
Dugu should have told you now. I don't know why Dugu is always behaving like this. He should have told you.
Tell me what? You're scaring me.
Dugu traveled to Aba to go and buy bicycle parts. And he said he will not be back in 2 weeks. And that is if he sees it in Aba. If he doesn't see it in Aba, he will cross from there to Calabar. From Calabar, if he doesn't see it, then he will go to Cameroon. And that will take like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even a month before he comes back. I don't know why Dugu did not tell you.
Manga, wait though. Are we talking about the same person? Do Good, my love, traveled.
Do Good Nwapaka himself. He even told me to take care of you while he's away. That instead of me, I did not agree. I said no, I will not do that kind of thing. But after second thought and second consideration, I said instead of leaving you alone, a fine girl like you, I know and I know you'll be missing your love while he's away. I agreed, instead of leaving you just like that. 2 weeks to 1 month is a very long time to leave you alone, to be alone.
Manga. Manga. If you lay na Manga, I'm suspecting you. How can my love that we agreed to see somewhere and do something very important suddenly go to Aba, Kisno, Calabar, Kokotonu, all of a sudden, without telling me his love? But Diego, listen to me, Manga. Let this not be one of those your lies you go around this village telling no. Because if it is, you see yourself.
Hey! They agreed to do something. They agreed to do something. What could that be? Nobody wants to do something with this girl. This girl and Lakoka. This girl has gone. No, I must spoil it.
Warn him. He forgot that your stupid brother. Warn him. Warn him. Stupid man. He wants to marry my daughter. Why about my daughter, that beautiful girl? Look at your brother. Look at him. Looking like one forgotten cockroach in the church. Look at my daughter. He wants to marry her. Hey! If he insists on marrying my daughter, I got you a job. They will look for him. See how if I'm Gwalia? Bicycle repairer. Bicycle on not in one. Does he have any money? Poor riffraff. Mumbling this over nonsense. Money mo. Ayacho. This is getting serious. Do good, Baka. You have to leave this girl or she leaves you. I will make sure that one happens. I can't lose Mama and Papa. Now, my one and only brother. Hi, Mbano. Mbano, do good, please. Because you no leave this girl for Aroka Akwa. Because
my love, let me understand you very well. You mean Mangala said all these things?
Yes, my love. But that's not why we are here.
So why are we here?
I had a dream last night. So I want us to do blood covenant. Yes, my love. So that our love will remain forever. Nothing can ever separate us. Oh?
Eh?
Yes.
Blood covenant?
Yes. I want us to do it here and now. I came with razor blade. See, razor blade. I came with razor blade. Let us do it here and now. Give me your hand. Bring your hand. I thought you said you love me.
But see, you didn't do this one well. You just scatter it very here. Hello? Charlie B, Kedu? How are you? Yes. You want to come and pay my daughter's dowry? Wow. No, that is good. You want it on a low-key, but you know, I have to go and talk to her father's brother. Yes. No, whatever he tells me, I will call you back. Straight out. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Charlie B wants to come and pay your sister's dowry. Hey! Yes. Wow. He doesn't want anybody to know. So you will go and pack the chairs and we'll set up this back. We won't do it at the front, eh? Hurry up, Jebe. Hey! America, here we come. Well, it's okay. It's sudden, but anything that will make you take my daughter to America, I am in support. I can't just focus. Hey, America? Here I come. Thank God I met you here. I was actually on my way to your house. There's something very important I would like to discuss with you.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem. Something that will benefit us. Sure, the whole community.
What is it?
It's not what we'll stand here to talk about. It's either we go back to your house or you come to mine, then we will discuss.
Well, let's go to your house. I'm actually going for a meeting, so when I finish with you, I'll now go for the meeting.
Okay. It's not a small thing.
Come. Let me tell you, there's no point of you running. There's no point of you pretending like all is well. Because I know all is not well. Ifesi told me all the lies you told her. So there's no point of you pretending like all is well. Because they are not well.
Sorry. Don't be offended. You will not understand. I will not understand.
Look at you. I will not understand. Manga, let me tell you. If you are the original Mangala, I will not use it to cook soup. Poison. Because the only worst thing I did to myself is making you my friend. You, Manga, you went and told plenty lies to Ife's. In fact, the one that pains me more is that You did not just lie in our own currency. You lied in English. You lied in French. You lied in Arabic. You lied in Greek. You even lied in Yoruba. I want to know, what was your aim for all those lies you told Ife? What was your gain? What was your purpose?
Do good. Like I said, you will not understand. And you will never understand. So don't worry.
Go and sit down. Go. Who are you giving that sermon? You should be thankful to God. In fact, go and look for any church, available church, and give thanksgiving, because I am in my right mood. If I wasn't, I would have so dealt with you. Scrape all your beers. There will be no more beers remaining on your cheek. Because what you did to me, Manga, let me tell you, I am in my right mood. Because why? I have cemented my relationship with Ifeisi with covenant. But you okay? Covenant. Mba, Venconant. Let me tell you. You see, Ifeisi, she's mine today. Ifeisi is mine tomorrow. Ifeisi is mine next tomorrow. In fact, Ifeisi is mine forever. No man, no woman can take her away from me. Let Aruka Akwa, that Madam Aruka Akwa, whatever she's called, let her continue with her Monims Road guy. Whatever thing they are doing, let them continue doing it. As for that girl, nobody can take her away from me. She's mine. Go on. You have lied everywhere. The only place remaining for you to lie now is in state. Go and lie in state. I am done and dusted, and that is it.
Hey! This girl is gone. Eh? So this is how I lost this girl. All my dreams, all my aspirations, everything gone. Covenant! Do good covenant! Hey! I've lost this girl. Oh. Hey! I know what to do. Hey, covenant!
You telling me, Mama, our great in-law, Mama, American Mama. Yes.
50,000. Oh, no, Namaka.
Mama, Uncle, what is going on here?
Your dowry. Your dowry. You are now a rich woman. Welcome to wealth. In fact, if you go in America, you are now Mrs. Charlie. Welcome to America. America, babe. Hey. Charlie, you are America wonder. Come and see America wonder. America wonder. Come and see America wonder. America wonder. See it now. America wonder. See it now. America wonder. Mbombo, Charlie Bari Dayama. Oya Jimeleze, Namada Forenaya. Oya Jimeleze, Namada Forenaya. Charlie Bari Dayama. Charlie Bari Dayama. Oya Jimeleze, Namada Forenaya. Oya Jimeleze, Namada Forenaya. Charlie Bari Dayama.
Where are you going to?
Eh? Don't I have the right to go here alone?
Well, that is not my problem. See, we have to talk.
About what?
About that Ife of a girl. You have to put an end to whatever it is you have with her.
Choma, I have told you time with that number. Stop advising me on anything that concerns Ifeisi. I don't want an advice from anybody, not even you, my sister. Don't advise me. In case you don't know, let me break it to you. You see, Ifeisi and I took an oath. We're under a this one is too late because we've already taken the oath. There is nobody on this planet Earth, not even you, my sister, not even anybody on this earth can put us apart except death. Onwu is the only reason that Ifeisi and I are going to go our ways.
Even when her mother Arokakwa made it very clear to you that she will never live to see you marry her daughter.
That is Arokakwa you called. What is the meaning of Arokakwa? Body that is bigger than clothes. That is what she is. She is not Aroka love. So there's no arrow that can color my love with Ifeisi. And I just told you now, Choma, that Ifeisi and I are under an oath. Why are you talking too much? Why can't you shut up and leave me? Is it your love? Yeah? Okay. Okay.
The worst has happened.
What happened?
That money misroad man is in my compound with his people.
Okay, they came to sweep.
No, they paid my dowry.
My dear, go and marry your husband. Leave my brother alone. I
want to know, is this in is it a joke or is it related to truth?
My love is not a joke. It's
just that it hits.
Let's go to our love zone and talk. Let's go and talk.
I wanted to go to the he said they came. They pay.
You better go and marry him. You better marry him and allow my brother to concentrate on his job. Allow him to concentrate, Biko. Ha! So good luck.
Loto.
Boss.
Now I have gotten what I want.
Yes, boss. I know you always get what you want. I know.
I am Charlie B. Ezenko. Olego no Ukego. I can never go wrong.
Arokakwa, my sister. Today is the happiest day in my life. Imagine, he paid 50,000 naira for dowry. And out of it, you gave me 20,000 naira. Oh, I'm happy. I am happy.
You're a good brother-in-law. Let me even tell you. Do you know that Charlie B gave me some dollars? He said I should change it and use it and start any kind of business of my choice. And guess what? I asked around. With the present exchange rate, hey! I can start any kind of business I want. Yes. Obulna lace, anomia. Obulna baby things, anomia. Obulna adult shoes, anything I want to do.
Hey, if you go Lojuku, I was actually going for a meeting, and if you go in that meeting, they say we should pay a levy of 200 naira. And here I am, in a greater meeting. I am going back home with 20,000 naira. And I know you, a generous giver. You will give me part of that dollar.
See, the hand that gives keeps receiving.
Bono.
So I will give you. That one is not, because if I don't give to you, it will not enter.
If you go,
I will give you, and God will provide from another.
Amen. 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 And anytime dollar man needs his wife, he is prepared to take his wife. I will give him his wife. I am equal to the task. Anyone on there, I am above them. Let him come and take his wife.
America. Here I come. Plane in Faifa. Hey! Jet Tiger. We found out where? Fighter jet. Anyone. You see that kind of canvas that Charlie B wears? I'll buy it for you. You think no Gonzaga? Oh, dear. Size 15. Size 15. It didn't show your size. Hey! Guess what? May go to deodorant. Macona will hit Messi.
This is the one.
Oh, this is fully.
Let us run away.
To where? To where? See, I'm not going an inch from my father's land. I cannot run and I will not run from my own father's land. For what?
My love, please. I'm the one talking to you. Listen, I know my mother very well. She's very desperate. She can do anything. She can even sell herself to realize her dream. Bikon, please do this for me.
Come rain, come sun. That thing that will happen tomorrow, let it happen today. Why will I run away from another man? There's no man, there's no woman that can make me leave my father's land.
But I'm the one talking to you. Don't want us to be together.
As much as I want us to be together, it doesn't mean that I should shy away from my responsibilities. Okay. Is it a crime for somebody not to be rich? Is it a crime? Did I design myself not to be rich? I'm not going anywhere.
You're my choice. Do good, do carry me, waka. You're my lover. Because love and because this love will pass money. Because love and because this love will pass money.
Obi. Yeah. Ebe kunu sikwa. Ade kunu esi afia.
For where?
You want a cookie?
I bought it for you and your brother. Especially your brother.
Osuresu ogini kwa? Oh, win the lottery ko.
You know now, you should understand. Let me tell you what people are saying. They said your brother is a bicycle repairer and he had limited future.
Well, limited future.
But to me, I see brighter future in him. That was why I came and borrowed that book from you. And I finished reading it. So I finally now come to show you and him how much I want to be with him.
You mean all this for my brother?
Yes.
So I know it. I know you like my brother. Well, you came at the right time. Because that, what's that her name? Ife
Sinachi.
Whatever her name is. I don't even want to know. Yes. Her mother vowed that she would never be alive and see my brother marry her daughter.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
That is interesting. I love that.
She almost killed my brother the other day now.
Hey!
My dear, my brother really has to switch over to you.
Yes, so.
For him to live longer for me because he's the only one I have in this world though.
Yes, so.
I can't afford to lose him.
Well, only if you know how much I belong to be with him now.
You're already his. I will make sure. I will show that girl that my brother has a beautiful girl that desires him.
And I want also.
Where is he? Mr. Dugu, where is he?
He went to Onitsha. He went to bypass, but he will soon be back. Because he left since morning.
We'll come back.
I'll
be back.
No, we'll go and come back.
Don't bother.
Hey! They want to do good now.
Just give it to him, yeah?
Prepare it very well for him. You can't prepare it.
You trust no. Do good at Coco. Hey!
Sinachi, Jalupo, what is this NYSC posting that suddenly it came on overnight?
Mama, the posting came out now. I have to hurry up. Or don't you want me to enter the camp? You want all my years in the Polytechnic to go to waste?
Oh, no. But what about your husband, Chalibi? He needs to know where you've been posted to, so he can visit you from time to time.
Okay, Mama, he's in Taraba State. Don't worry, I'll contact him.
But I'm sure you don't have his number.
Sorry, please give me his number.
Don't worry, I'll send it to your phone. Okay.
Mama, while you're sending the number, I have to get going. I want to take the night.
I've sent it.
Okay, I'll call him later. I have to take the night bus so I can do the registration in the morning. Oh,
wait before you go. Let me give you some money now. You know Charlie B sprayed us. Guess how much I got? 100,000 naira. I'll give it to you for being a good girl. Yeah, take. When you get to Taraba, be a good girl. Behave yourself. Let them know that you're from a good home. Eh? And please embrace Charlie B. He is our visa to America. Oh. Like I said, I will call him and let me get going.
Mrs. Charlie B, Mrs. Charlie B, Jamal. Charlie B, Mrs.
Hey. America, America. Here I come. When I get to America, the things I will buy. Go to Boogaloo. I like that style. Then those 3 inches of high heel. Abola. Bamba. Amagomi fenge spaghetti strap. Chai! America cannot wait. Chalukele. Where's that my phone? Hi. Go, baby. Hello. Go. I'm on my way to America. You want to know how? I will tell you later. I'll put my phone. God. Take care. Can't get this boy.
In fact, you see that thing Delilah did to Samson. That is what I will do to him now.
You will not understand. You will never understand. Let's go.